Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Everything You Like. Today I am excited to share with you my thoughts on a product that has been making waves in the beauty community. The Sandal Beauty Cream. Viewers, Sandal Beauty Cream has gained popularity for its promise to nourish and rejuvenate the skin, leaving behind a radiant and youthful glow. Made with natural sandalwood extract, this cream claims to address various skin concerns from dryness to uneven skin tone. Viewers, if we talk about my personal experience, I have been using Sandal Beauty Cream for the past few weeks and I must say I am impressed with the results. Upon application, the cream feels lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving behind any greasy residue. I have noticed a significant improvement in the texture of my skin, which feels smoother and more hydrated. One of the key ingredients in Sandal Beauty Cream is sandalwood extract, known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. This helps in reducing redness and irritation, making it suitable for sensitive skin types. Additionally, sandalwood is also believed to have skin lightening properties, which can help to achieving a more even complexion over time. Viewers, for optimal results, it's recommended to use Sandal Beauty Cream twice daily in the morning and evening. After cleansing your face, gently massage the cream onto your skin in upward circular motion and until fully absorbed. Viewers, now let's talk about the pros and cons of Sandal Beauty Cream. One of the biggest pros is its effectiveness in hydrating the skin and improving its overall texture. Moreover, its natural ingredients make it safer option for those with sensitive skin. However, viewers, some users may find the scent of sandalwood to be quite strong, which could be drawback for those who prefer fragrance-free products. Additionally, while it claims to address various skin concerns, results may vary from person to person. But my viewers, Sandal cream available at best price has longer lasting impact on your skin. Superb healing agent for dry, flaky, rough skin damage. It is 100% safe to use. It has had no side effect. Made from all natural herbs like sandalwood, it keeps your skin moisturized and hydrated throughout the day and night with very small amount. Viewers, this cream helps in reducing dark spots, making your skin look glowing and shining. Sandal cream for the face purifies your facial skin, leaving you with a lighter feel and a beautiful complexion. It is also used to remove acne, reduces pimples, black spots, and restore the glow of skin. It fights with the sign of aging, reducing the itching and repairs skin. In conclusion, Sandal Beauty Cream is a promising skincare product that delivers on its claims of nourishing and rejuvenating the skin. With consistent use, you can expect to see improvement in your skin texture and tone. While it may not be suitable for everyone due to its scent and individual skin differences, I believe it's worth giving a try, especially if you are looking for a natural solution to your skin waves. So viewer, that's all for today's review. If you have tried Sandal Beauty Cream, let me know your thoughts in comment box. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare tips and product reviews. Until next time, take care and stay beautiful. You can get other related videos from my channel, so visit my channel. Thank you so much.